So today's video is going to be a little skincare routine. Here I go with my aloe vera gel juice. You can get it from Walmart. It's like $2. I put it in a spray bottle. I'm just going to saturate my face with this. And that's the Zanemia scrub. It's from Body Shop. It's a really, really finely milled exfoliant. You can use it for your whole body, but it is highly fragranted. So you might not want to use it if your skin is really sensitive. My skin is crazy sensitive. For some weird reason, it works so good on my face and it really moisturizes. No matter where you put it on your body, you will be moisturized to the gods. Just gonna make sure I get it in all those spots. Rub, rub, rub. Wet it a little bit more if you have to, but try not to wet it above your eyes because if it drips into your eyes, it will burn. Now, as you guys seen lately, my face has been so textured. And it's because I haven't exfoliated in like maybe a month and a half, 2 months. So I'm just making sure that I work it in really good. Make sure you get all those edges and sides. And right under my lip, it's like, it's not rough, but it feels almost like, well, it is. It's pores. A lot of pores in there. So I try to scrub that really good. Now I've washed all of that off, rinsed it off. Now I'm going in with our typical Equator St. Ives scrub. And this is an oatmeal scrub, so it's calming for the skin. So if you put something on there that is just irritating the hell out of your skin, throw this on right after. It definitely will calm anything. And right under my nose, it usually burns when I put anything on my face. So I usually go in with this. And this is just a second source of exfoliating. And the crystals in this, or the oatmeal or whatever it is, the damn grits they put in this, that's what it feels like, grits. So it's pretty coarse. Not as coarse as most of their others, but it's coarse. Way more than the Zanemia scrub. But you get what you pay for. Let's speed it up, wipe everything down. All right, now I'm going in with my witch hazel. And that honestly has been clearing up my face so good. About, I want to say a month ago, my face looked like hell. Worse than what it looks now. And just daily. I put it on in the morning, I'll put it on in the middle of the day if I can remember, I'll put it on at night, and you just rub it, and it's almost the equivalent of alcohol, except it's not as abrasive and it's not as strong, but it'll get all the impurities out of your skin, wipe off any excess makeup you thought you got off. I'm going back in with the aloe vera juice gel, or gel juice, and it's just really good for your skin. It has a lot of great properties in it. And it will tighten your face. If you only put this on your face, it'll like whatever you have on there, it's gonna lock it into your face. So usually once I feel like my pores are really clean, I put this on top. Or if I'm trying to get my pores really clean, I put it on and wipe it off. All right, now it's dried, so I'm gonna go in with my Equate moisturizing lotion. It's compared to CeraVe moisturizing lotion, and I will say this, they are identical because I used to spend all that money on CeraVe or CeraVe, and when I tried this, it's a lot better for sensitive skin. Like I said, under my nose, that's how I can tell if something is really made for sensitive skin, because it'll burn or I'll feel something. With this, it just goes on like water. And yes, I put a lot on my face, but I let it sit for like 3 minutes. My face is gonna suck it all up. It's gonna be gone. Look at that. That was probably 2 minutes later. Now Vaseline, baby, Vaseline, or petroleum jelly. My sister lives by this stuff and her skin is beautiful. But I noticed that since I've started using it, my skin has been a lot better too, as far as when I exfoliate, a lot more dead skin comes off. So I guess it just keeps everything loose. And that's how I'm gonna finish it off. And we're gonna try to do this daily, except for the double and triple exfoliating. I'm probably gonna exfoliate maybe once or twice a week. But my problem areas, if you look close, some of them just seem more plump. So that's how I'm leaving it. Thank you guys for watching.